Selvin Kumar, who has secured 15th rank in GATE exam, and now presently he is going to study in IIT Madras. Welcome. So I'd like to know about yourself. Can you tell about yourself?
I'm Selvin. As Madam was saying, I got an all India rank of 15 in Electronics and Communications in GATE 2012. I'm basically a 2009 pass out from College of Engineering, Gindi, and I'm IST Chennai. I am currently employed in Robert Bosch Engineering and Business Solutions Limited, and I work in embedded software domain for past. I'm working in embedded software domain for the past 3 years.
Okay. So what was your UGB percentage?
I secured 8.5 CGPA, grade point cumulative average, equivalent to 85%.
Okay. Since which month have you started preparing for GATE exam?
I started sometime in June, July, sometime now, last year.
Okay. Yeah. So how many hours do you use to prepare for this exam?
Initially I started with 3 hours every day. Say by November I started preparing for 5 hours. By January I prepared for 6 hours every day. And during weekends I used to study 10 hours every day. So yeah.
Okay. Do you think whether the GATE test practice is required to get good marks?
Yeah, definitely. Solving great number of problems enhances your speed and improves your accuracy. So without studying, without solving problems just by going through the books, you will not be able to score good marks in GATE. You have to practice a lot of problems. For example, I had a target of solving 1500 problems in each subject. So you have to solve a lot of problems.
So as you join IIT, can you tell us the procedure how to join IIT to our students?
Yeah, definitely. Each IITs have their own procedures, and basically there are 2 sets of courses in IITs. One is MS Research and one is MTech. MTech is normally a 2-year program where you do a 3 semesters of study and 1 semester of project, while your MS is a research kind of program where you study lesser number of subjects but do a greater extent of research, and you get your MS degree at the end of your paper. And for MTech in IIT Madras, it's a direct admission through GATE rank, but for MS they have their own written test followed by an interview for the written test for the students who cleared the written test. Each IITs have their own procedure. There are IITs where they do not have MS at all. For example, IIT Kanpur does not have an MS, but they admit all students into MTech via interview. They don't have a written test. They shortlist based on GATE ranks and they call for an interview.
Okay. So how do you feel as an IIT?
It's a great honor to study in IIT and come out and say yourself as an IITian. Say from 3rd year on, from my college, I always had the dream of studying in IIT. I always felt bad that I couldn't do my UG in IIT, so it's a great honor. Yes.
Okay. So as you had done this coaching for GATE Forum Institute, so how did it help you?
GATE Forum are the prime reason why I am standing right here. Yes. So without GATE Forum, I wouldn't have got this all India rank. So thanks to GATE Forum.
How much does GATE Forum coaching help, and how far it had benefited to you in getting this?
Definitely. As I said, GATE Forum is a prime reason, and the staffs and faculties from GATE Forum are excellent. Classes were really amazing. The classes used to go beyond GATE level, sometimes to the extent where the staffs explain how this happens in industry and what you expect in industry and things like that. So it's really motivating to be in GATE Forum classes.
And what about the test series of GATE Forum?
Yeah.
Is it beneficial?
Yes, definitely. There is a section test after every subject is completed, and there is a 12 exam target series. Probably target series is one good series where you can test yourself, say every week, literally every week, and go back home and do an analysis of where you have to improve, where your strength lies, and what it takes to actually clear GATE. This extended analysis you can do yourself and improve yourself greatly.
Okay. And what about the materials?
GATE Forum materials are really good in a way that every subject has a study book as well as a problem solving book, and there are section tests for each subject. There are 3-4 section tests, and there is one book where it's a question bank of all previous year GATE question papers. I literally managed to solve all question banks from GATE forum, so it was really useful.
Okay. So tell me about the faculty who have inspired you or who had an influence on you about it.
Yeah, one Mr. Mehul from Bangalore who taught me communication systems and analog circuits. So he is working in Intel and he is an IIT Bombay pass out. So he really inspired me.
Okay. So as you were GATE forum students, so I would like to know, do you recommend your juniors in joining GATE forum?
Yeah, definitely. If you are really serious about GATE, do join GATE forum. It's a one place you can fulfill your GATE wishes.
Okay. Last question, please can you share your future plan with us? What you are planning in the future?
After IIT, I am planning to go to corporate again. Say have a 3-4 years of experience and then come back to teaching profession. Basically, to teach is my passion. So yeah.
Okay, thank you.